Hello, kids! Let us sing Three Little Piggies. Three little piggies on a sunny day in the cold water. In the cold water. Activity time! Kids, some of the words from the rhyme are missing. Will you help to complete the rhyme? Great! Let's start! Let's complete the rhyme. Listen carefully and choose the right word. Three little piggies on a sunny. Is it day or night? Yes, the correct answer is day. In the cold water they love to. Is it read or play? Great! The correct answer is play. One pig on the jump, one pig in the. Is it house or pool? Awesome! The correct answer is pool. One pig standing by, ready to be. Is it cool or wet? Yay! The correct answer is cool. Well done, kids. You did a great job. Well done, kids. See you soon. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to the channel Happy Slate.